Alright, this is some live trading here today. So as you can see, we are dipping heavy on the sells right now. Oh man, we're not delivering into this. Looks like a really nice continuation short right here. I might have to take this. We have swept a lot of liquidity, but I just think we're super bearish right now. 62 points. So I'm going to use that 3 contracts. ES has not hit this daily low yet. NQ has, right? So NQ has hit this daily low, but I think ES wants to hit that as well, which means I feel like ES would be, NQ is going to want to deliver to this 4-hour gap down here, in my opinion, but we did just run this out. So do I want to take continuation longs when we just run a 4-hour low inside of a daily fair value gap? Do I want to take continuation short, sorry? I don't know. I really don't know. I feel like I'm pretty certain ES is going to, well, no, ES is definitely going to want to draw to here. I'm going to take these, look, I'm going to take these shorts. So I think NQ should just deliver lower, in my opinion. So I'm going to take these shorts when we get the close, and I'm going to go break even at the, I'm going to go break even as soon as ES runs the lows, because I think these shorts make complete sense. But have we delivered into a 5? We delivered into a 3. We haven't had a 5-minute pullback, but I'm really like bearish here, so I like it. So I'm going to take it. See what we can do. When ES runs this out, I'm going to go to break even. But I think we should deliver down to this 4-hour gap. That, in my opinion. We're pretty bearish here. The narrative on ES is that it's going to want to deliver into this daily. We haven't done that yet. So for me, it just makes sense that the daily should be hit. So I think we stay pretty bearish. I think we run for it. Yeah, that's really all I've got. I'm also going to go break even when we come down and if we sweep this low on NQ. So if we sweep the low on NQ, I'm going to go break even. If we sweep down ES, whatever one happens first, I'm then going to move to break even. Okay, there's the break even. Nice. So now I just wanted to see price sink. Hopefully we can just stay heavy and we can just go. We'll see. If not, it's a break even there, and that's absolutely fine. But yeah, I like this trade because look, we have this 4-hour gap down here. Price held in the premium on NQ. So I was looking maybe we could go long if ES held this 1-hour gap, but we've just blown through it now. We still have these unmitigated gaps here on ES. So for me, the only thing is shorts until ES hits this, and it hasn't hit it yet. And we got the short entry, so I'm in it. We'll see how we get on. This is going to be a 1.81 trade. I want it to be super heavy here. That would be ideal. But again, I might even just do a 1-to-1 here, you know, because we're below this low, and when this hits, we could just retrace. So I feel like a 1-to-1's probably ideal, in my opinion. So what's a 1-to-1? That would be 25,879. Oh, it looks like we're going to get hit for break even. Ah, we got hit for break even there. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Price still hasn't hit this daily yet. That was a good trade nonetheless. It was a good continuation model nonetheless. Again, there is no long setups in here. Not until ES delivers down into this daily. If ES delivers into this daily, then we get a long. Boom! There we go. That will be our next trade. But until then, we stay patient because there is no high probabilities. And then when we're now looking at, let's say, ES fucking tanks when it divs into there, NQ starts tanking as well down to this 4 hour, there is no chance I'm taking longs. I'm waiting until NQ delivers into this 4 hour down here if we start delivering heavy on the sells. If we kind of like we're trading around here, we go, ES can dip. If ES goes long, goes short, deep into this daily, that's fine. But I need NQ to then start holding. And if NQ holds, this dips down and then gets a long, pairing that with a long here, that'd be fire. But yeah, we still haven't hit this daily, so that we could re-enter if we had the opportunity. But I probably won't now. That was my opportunity there. Unfortunately, it was a break even. Now, I am working on changing up where my stop losses, but right now I'm in the stage where I'm just trying to mitigate my losses, right? And to mitigate my losses, I need to be using my stop loss a bit deeper, which is what I've done there. And essentially, if I have my stop loss above here, which is where, like, you know, I've been taught to like place it, then that could have been a 1-to-1. But I've got to remember this: a lot of times price trades up into here, takes my stop and then goes. So I'm just trying to learn where, like, in what scenarios can I leave my stop there? Because sometimes, you know, like the inversion fair value gap traders like PB, Blake, Dodgy, they put, and what's his name, Lewis, trading with Lewis, I think, they put their stop losses right above the inversion that got inverted. But like, I always seem to get hit for stop loss there, so I'm actually not 100% sure. Regardless, let's just see what we do here. So as I thought, there is a 30-second entry. As you can see on here, we took that short there. There is a 30-second entry here, which I could take, but again, I'd rather not. I'm just going to let price play out now. I had my opportunity for this run. I could take it. I could have not. Like, it was a 30-second. It was a bit, I don't know. It wasn't amazing. Like, price could have just stalled again, come up into here. That would have been the better trade. But yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We could get mech model longs, as I said, when we come down in this 4 hour, and ES would be in this daily. Other than that, though, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that's unfortunate break even there. I would have liked it to dip. We're probably waiting for 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock might trade higher. Probably wouldn't. I think like 10 o'clock might dip into here. 10 o'clock dips into here and then reverses. That could be fire. That could be fire.
Hello, baby girl. Are you okay? I'm sorry.
So there's the 1-to-1. If we had that, would have been a hitter. I'm still dipping lower, so ES has delivered into this daily now, so I'm going to watch the reaction in this 4 hour. Down here. Hair's fucked. So yeah, you can see this is a very nice price point to see reversals, but where NQ is, it's now delivering through here. So I would like to see it come down into here, and then that could be a really good long opportunity, potential long opportunity. It's about to be 10 o'clock now. So let's see what we do. So you can see my P&L for today so far. That's an unfortunate break even there, boys. Not gonna lie. Yeah, 10 o'clock's clearly just delivering lower, which is what I was thinking could happen. Now, do I like longs? Not really. I'm gonna be honest with you. It looks too bearish to go for a Met model long right now. Even though we've just delivered into that 4 hour, even if we got something like this, I just can't see a nice setup. Alright, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna cut the session off here. To be fair, I'm still gonna trade. There could be an opportunity, but right now, I've had an opportunity. Got hit for break even. I was right on the targets. My targets have been met. I'm not really trying to go long in here. I think the fact that we've held so high on higher time frame, displaced, blown through like this, going for longs is a bit silly. And then shorts, the targets have been met. So I just don't have any desirable direction, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's pretty much it.